Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm bringing you part 2 of my mini-series on creating Peekaboo Instagram stories to use in your strategy. Part 1, already published on my YouTube channel, shows you how to create a simple Peekaboo Instagram story when sharing a still photo or image. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Peekaboo Instagram story when sharing one of your feed posts. The process is a little different, and slightly more complicated. If you share a feed post to your story, find a color, and then press and hold on the screen for 3 seconds, the story is filled with that color, but the feed post itself is still on top of the color, not behind it. You can't create the Peekaboo effect this way, but there's another way to do it. To start with, you're going to want to create an image that looks like a Peekaboo story with a clickable feed post beneath it, but the clickable part won't work yet. Let's do that now. I'm going to share this quote from my feed to my Instagram story. So, to start with, I'll make sure that image is in my camera roll. Then, start creating a story, as you usually would. You'll want Create mode for this. Hit the image icon at the bottom left of the screen, and then find the image of the feed post you want to share. As you can see, it'll appear in the center of your story. Now, you can use the draw icon to select a color. You can choose from the color palette that runs along the bottom of the screen, or you can use the dropper tool to select a color that directly matches your image, or you can open up the full color spectrum and find the shade from there. When you've selected a color, press and hold the screen for roughly 3 seconds. The entire screen will now be the color you have selected, and the feed post is hidden beneath it. Use the eraser tool next to create the Peekaboo section. The icons across the top will fill in white to indicate which one you have selected. Drag your finger across the screen to erase some of the color and reveal the image below. If you don't like what you've done, hit the undo button on the top left of the screen. You can keep going, erasing and then undoing, until you're happy with the Peekaboo shape you've created. Hit done when you're done. Instead of sending this story out into the world, you're going to need to save it to your camera roll. You can do this by hitting the download icon at the top of the screen. Now, come out of the whole lot. Discard the story. You no longer need it once you've saved it to your camera roll. It is now time to head to your profile and find the feed post you want to share. Hit the airplane icon, then select Add Post to your story. It'll appear right in the center of the screen. Use the sticker icon to add an image from your camera roll, and then select the story you downloaded previously. You'll need to resize it so that it covers the entirety of the screen, but as you can see, it genuinely looks like an actual Peekaboo Instagram story, and not just an image of one. You can now add music, new post stickers, or other elements and decorations to your story, before hitting the center button to share with your audience. Because you have layered an image over the feed post, the post still works as a clickable link behind it. Would you like a real-time run-through of this? Let's see how long it takes me in real time. It took me a grand total of 1 minute and 37 seconds, and I redid the Peekaboo part a whole bunch of times before coming up with the right one. And that's that. You have successfully created a Peekaboo Instagram story when sharing a feed post. In part 3, coming soon, I'll be showing you how to do the same thing, but with a video instead of a feed post or still image. And in part 4, I'll be showing you lots of super awesome ways in which you can use a Peekaboo story in your Instagram strategy. If you don't want to miss them, subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.